my 17 unicorn lover, and I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a real easy ingredient slime. And so you'll be needing a bowl to mix in, a spoon to mix with, food coloring is optional, glue, I don't think it matters what kind of glue, you just need glue, and contact solution, and shaving cream. And so what you'll be doing is you'll be adding your glue first. I'm adding all my glue. Okay, that should be good. And then my food coloring, which is again optional. No. Okay, that's a lot. Maybe too much. And then my shaving cream. Okay, then my contact solution. That's a lot. Just a little bit more. Okay, that should be good enough. And then you're gonna start mixing. I'm just gonna keep mixing until it all comes together. And if you want, you can add more contact solution if you need it. And so I'm just gonna keep mixing. It's almost together, just a little bit more. See, almost. And so here it is, still kind of sticky, but it's okay. And so if this worked for y'all, make sure to give me a big thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And follow my cousin Giaco for more awesome videos. And so yeah, thanks for watching this, guys. Hope it worked for y'all.